Good morning, students. Students, are you fine? I hope you all are fine. And what you all are doing at home? Studying, na? Very nice, children. Because your exams are coming and you have to do properly. So, children, last time we have done put the sign, and first time it was new topic for you, that put the sign. So again I will repeat for you, okay? And at home you have to study well and take your rough copy. If you don't know how to do the put the sign, I will teach you again now, and I will tell you how to come to know. You will come to know the greater than, less than and equal. Three of signs I will teach you again, okay? So first I will teach that, and then we will go for new topic afterwards, okay? So children, first we will take this put the sign. So put the sign here, three signs I have told you, that one is greater than, less than and equal. This I have explained you with the lines. Like for example, if I take for greater number like 9, if I will take 8 number, and with that I will take here 5 number. So I have told you that you have to sketch the line and see which number is big. You can take any object, not only the lines, you can take any object. Like today I will take for example greater than, I will take the picture down. I will do here number 8 I have taken dash and 5. For number 8, any picture means any thing you can do in your rough copy. Just see, do on your own you do, and you will come to know which number is big. Like I will take ball, okay? So for 8 numbers, 1, 2, 3, you have to count with that. When you are drawing, that with that you have to count, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here which number? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many balls here and how many balls here? How many balls for 8 and how many balls for 5? So you can see, and you can see that which number is big. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these fingers you can see 8. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. So only 5. So this one is less and this one is greater. ये बड़ा है and this one is small, छोटा है. This is big, this is small. Means 8 is big and 5 is small. So what we'll do for greater sign, I have told you, you have to open the mouth of beak. चिड़िया की चोंच को खुला रखना है ऐसे. This sign you will put here like this. I will change the chalk, then only you will come to know. See, like this you have to. So this sign will front of 8 and this close one will in front of 5. Automatically it will come. For small, चिड़िया की चोंच बंद है, and for big, चिड़िया की चोंच खुली है. Okay, so this is called greater than. Now suppose that number you have to find like less than. So I will take here 6 and here I will take 9. Okay, now you can see here it is 6, here it is 9. Any object you can take. I will take lollipop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lollipops are here, and for 9 lollipops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How you can see here, here automatically it will be less, you will see, and here see how many यहाँ ज़्यादा लग रहा है और यहाँ कम लग रहा है. So object also you can take, not only the lines you can take objects, so you will learn very fast. Okay, so for 6 we have done and for 9 also we have done, so we can see which one more and which one is less. So this 6 number is less, so we'll take this sign and we will write like this. So automatically this sign will come this side, this close one, and this sign 9 is big and open one side will come this side. Okay, so this difference will be there. Okay, for this is the greater one, this is less than. So one sign is left, that is equal. For equal we will take, I have told you for equal we have to take equal number. Like equal means we will take here 3 equal 3, okay, or 7 equal 7. Whenever the equal number will come both the side, like 7 here also 7, both are same, nothing you have to do. Here you can make 3 laddus and here also 3. So both are same, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay. Here 7 are there, so any object you can take, like whatever you want to take, like a triangle you can take. So 7 triangles you have to make, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, both are same. So when same number will be there, you have to put this sign, that is called equal. Okay, this is called equal sign when both the numbers are same. So this was your last time I have taught you this, put the sign. So we have repeated. Now we'll come to our new topic, that is between. Okay children, we'll take between also, and I will write here for you what comes between. This is your new topic. What comes between? Okay, and this will come within 1 to 20 numbers only. Okay, not more than that. 1 to 20 in you have to do. So children, here you can see what comes between. Between means beach wala. Like here the number is 1, here the number is dash, and again it is 3. So beach wala number आपको भरना है. You have to fill the middle number. After 1 you know which number will come. So I will write here for you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Down I will write here 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Now you have to see children middle number. Which one? I have taken 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 we have taken. Now see one number, you can see here 1 number and 3 number. In the middle you can see the number 2. So you have to write here 2. Any number we can take. Like here we will take 7 and 9. I am writing here 7 and 9. In between which number is there? 8. So 8 will come here. Okay. 2 is here and 8. Like this, this is called middle between number. Okay. Like we will take here 12 and 14. 12 and 14. So in middle number, which number will come here? You can see here 13. So 13 will come down here. Okay. But you have to remember remember that which number, after which number will come. Okay, so you have to see carefully the number. You have to see the carefully all the numbers you have to see. Like we'll take 15, 17. I am writing here 15 dash 17. You have to count it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Automatically we will come to know 16. So 16 will come here. Like that 1 to 10 also in your mind you have to count it. Like if it is written 6 here and if it is written here 6, 7, 8 here. So you have to count all the numbers. After 6 you will come to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 it's written here. After 6 which number will come? 7. So 7 you have to write. Okay. Like this you will do middle number. Or in your rough copy you can do very easily. If you want to learn properly, at home only sit and write any number. You take it in this, in between 1 to 20, any number you can take. Like I will take 18, I will take 4 and 6. Okay. So I will write here 4 and I have taken 6 here. Now what you have to do, you have to, before 4 which number will come, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this you will come to know, counting the numbers you will come to know between number will come automatically. Okay, so this is called between number, and children you have to do very carefully all the numbers. Now I am going to give you one exercise. In copy I will give you, that copy one only I will give you here. See this copy, you can see all the numbers 5, 7, 2, 4, 11, 13, 8, 10, 6, 8, 4, 6, 16, 18, 3 and 5. So you can see all the numbers. Now here I will give you 5 dash 7, 2 dash 4, 11 dash 13, 8 dash 10, 6 dash 8, 4 dash 6, 16 dash 18 and 3 dash 5. What children you have to do? I have told you, you have to learn 1 to 20 numbers properly. I have given you here 1 to 20 numbers, and within this only, this exercise you will able to do. So we'll do. First we will do this number. First we will take 5 and 7. Okay. So after 5 which number will come? Write and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number will come here? 6. Okay. So like this you can write. Now 2 is here. 1, 2. Here 3 will come. Okay children. So this way you will write all the numbers. So this is the method that in your mind you have to count. In your mind. यहाँ पे रखना है, दिमाग में रखना है all the numbers 1 to 20. Till 1 to 20 you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So again we'll do this. Here 3 will come and here 6 will come. 3. Now 11. After 11 you have learned already. So 11, 12, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 16, 17, 18, 3, 4, 5. So this is called middle number, and you have to keep in your mind all the numbers, and then you have to count and write. After 5, 6 will come. So you have to read after writing. You have to check that you have written correctly. 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 16, 17, 18, 3, 4, 5. So jumble I have given you. You have to write in same like in the copy. Okay. So children, we have finished this class, and both the topics I have taught you, that put the side and middle, the between number also, and after also I have given you. So 3 topics we have finished, children. So children, now you have to study well at home. Sit and write and study in your rough copy. Write and practice it. Okay. So thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye.